Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Bybit mobile app and then you just have to log into your account. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you need to tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And over here, you are going to see all of the assets that you have in your funding wallet, in your unified trading wallet, or in your inverse derivatives. So over here, you are going to see a bunch of different options as well, such as deposit, withdraw, transfer, convert, and so on. So in order to convert BTC to USDT, you will have to tap on convert. Now over here, by default, it will take BTC, and in the to section, it will take USDT. But in your case, if it is not selected as BTC, then you need to tap on the crypto that is over here. And after that, you just have to tap on BTC. Then in the to section, you need to make sure that the USDT is selected. After that, you are going to see the account that you are using in order to do this conversion. For this video, I have selected funding account, but if you have your money in some other account of yours, then you will have to click on this drop arrow button and you just have to select your account. After selecting your account, you just have to enter the amount of BTC that you want to convert to USDT. Then it will show you the conversion rate and it will show you how much USDT you are going to get. Once you convert BTC to USDT, then you need to tap on the quote button in the bottom and then you just have to confirm your conversion. And this way you will be able to easily convert BTC to USDT on Bybit app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.